everyone. I hope you are all fine. Here I've got a question which is question 22 and it's 2018 GCE, which is paper 1. And the question reads as, the diagram below shows a sketch of a graph which meets the x-axis at -4 and +2. So this is the sketch of the graph. And the first question, you have been told to find what? The equation of the graph. You have been told to find what? The equation of the graph. And this question carries 4 marks and always it's on number 22. So this question comes in different forms. So for you to be safe, you need to understand how it comes and what each question demands you to do. So let's start. So since here the first question says, find the equation of the graph. Find the equation of the graph. You have been told to find the equation of the graph. So this is, you have been given that x is equal to -4, where it's passing there. And also you have been given x to the positive, which is 2. That is the first thing you need to put in mind. Once you have been told to find the equation, if you have been given points like this, you copy the points the way they are, and then you put them back into the equation, which the way they were before this. So it will be open x opposite of -4, it will be +4. You open another one. Since this one it was a positive, it becomes x -2, like this. Have you seen? Now, since you have been told you find the equation of this graph. So, have you seen it was -4? It becomes what? +4. So you say x plus 4. This one it was +2. It becomes x -2. So you do what we call expand and simplify. So how do you do that? You remove x outside, you open, you get this one, which is x -2. You say plus what? 4 there. You open again. You get the same one, which is x -2. In other ways, you say x multiply this is here, plus 4 multiply the same, which is this. And then once you have reached here, you say x times x, it's x squared, minus x times 2, it's 2x, plus 4 times x, you get 4x. Positive times negative, you get negative. 4 times 2, you get 8. Just like this. I hope you are able to follow. Next, they are already grouped. So you say x squared -2x plus 4x. You subtract and you get the sign of the bigger number. So the bigger number is what? +4. So here it will be plus 2x minus what? 8. So at the end you say y is equal to x squared plus 2x minus 8. You are done here. Just by doing this, you get 2 marks. This was question 1. Now we come to question 2. Question 2 reads as, find the coordinates of the turning points. They want the coordinates of the turning points of this graph. So how do you find the coordinates of the turning points? Since you have got this equation, so on number 2 you say this. Since they said find the coordinates of the turning points, so you use this graph, you use this equation or the graph. So you say x squared plus 2x minus 8. So this one will be your A, this one your B, this one your C. So A is equal to, coefficient of x is 1. And coefficient of here B is what? 2. So you have got A. So for B, you say equal to what? 2. So A is 1, B is what? 2. So, and since you have been told to find the coordinates of the turning point, so the formula for turning points of the coordinates, you say x is equal to negative b over 2a. This is the formula. So x is equal to b, you check, it's what? 2. So it will be negative 2 over 2 open. A is what? 1, like this. So x is equal to negative 2 over 2. So x is equal to 2 into negative 2, it's negative 1. So the x coordinates you have now. Now what has remained is to find the y coordinates. How do we find the y coordinates? We use the equation, which is this one. So you say y is equal to x squared plus 2x minus 8. Since x, we know the value of x is negative 1, so you say y is equal to open negative 1 squared plus 2 open negative 1 minus 8, like this. So y is equal to negative 1 squared simply means negative 1 times negative 1, which is positive 1. Positive times negative, it's what? Negative. 2 times 1, it's 2. Minus what? 8. The last step, you say y is equal to 1 minus 2, it's negative 1. Minus what? 8. So I'll just bring it here. I hope you'll be able to see. So y is equal to negative 1 minus 8. Once you face a question, it's like this. Just add the numbers and maintain the signs. Why do you maintain the signs? Because they are going from the same direction, which is which direction? Negatives. So you say 1 plus 8, it's 9. And it's what? 9. 9. And what? The signs, they are going from the same direction. So it will be negative what? 9. So now, since they want the turning points of the coordinates, so you say open negative 1, comma, negative 9. These were the coordinates they were looking for. Thank you very much. I hope you have enjoyed this video.